In this evening's health report, Shamala Pullen looks at good and bad cholesterol.
Cholesterol levels are important because they help show your risk for heart disease. Cholesterol is a type of fat that helps your body carry out many important functions.
Your body produces its own cholesterol, and it's an important fat because it's found in our many of our membranes, cell membranes in the body, and it helps to keep the cell membrane fluid. But when we talk about high and low cholesterol, we're thinking about the carriers of fats in the blood. And that's the good cholesterol. We talk about high density lipoproteins, which is really a vehicle for carrying fats in the body from the cells to the liver for processing.
Because there are no symptoms associated with high cholesterol, it can only be detected by doing a blood test. High cholesterol can be harmful and may lead to cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes.
The bad cholesterol now is the low density lipoproteins, LDLs. And we refer to those as bad fat or bad cholesterol because when those levels are high, it tends to increase the levels of fat that are deposited within the blood vessel walls. And that over time can reduce the size of your blood vessels, contributing to increased blood pressure and also encourage plaque formation within these vessels.
High cholesterol is also a genetic condition. However, it can be treated with medication.
Stroke is certainly too prevalent. High blood pressure, you're thinking about 1 in 3 people having this problem. I mean, we focus a lot on salt, but there's also the fat side of the equation that we have to balance as well. And then heart disease, hardening of the arteries, all of these forms of cardiovascular illnesses, they are certainly, not good for us, and they're going to more than likely lead to premature death.
And remember to exercise, eat healthy, and do regular checkups with your family doctor. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.